Mr. Burns.
Yes, sir.
We doing a little rubber fitment.
A little trimming. You know, it's the new ones that
they're a little big.
Actually, I can show you right now.
They fit the spring perfect.
Yeah.
But they're a little big on their little stud that goes into the housing. And I'm sure they're going to be a little big going in the backing plate as well. So, Burnsy's just giving them a little trimmy trim. Just a little off the 45 there.
Yeah.
Making it nice. Get them in where they're at. This looks pretty good. I mean, it's close. It's going to squish down when you bolt it down, but you want it to sit flush. So,
yeah.
Just a little extra work, but it's always, when isn't it a little extra work?
All cars.
All the time. So, he's on that. He's getting that fitment right. And he's going to carry on. Mr. Burns, did we just kind of center up the housing? Just kind of locate it?
Just a little bit.
Look at the ballpark.
We got the bushings.
Look how much nicer this looks.
To fit in.
I'm going to take a picture to send this to Tom. Be like, I've been here for a little bit today. In line with the chaos.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
yeah.
So that's it? Cleaned
hardware? Up the factory U-bolts because the ones they sent us were wrong.
We talked about it, not on camera. Maybe hit it up with
trying to dye over it.
Little cleanup work.
Yeah, but it's nice. Yeah, they thread nicely. Oh well, these are lock nuts anyway from the factory.
Oh, you know what?
That little pinch. That's what they're.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so maybe just hang your U-bolts. We got our rubbers ribbed for your pleasure. Sitting where they need to be. Nick's got the brake lines all cleaned up. He's gonna reclip those babies in. Or you have to there you go. Yeah, they're kind of a pain in the dick. All right, so that's coming along, man.
I'm excited on this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna say probably back to Tom Monday afternoon-ish.
Man, somewhere in there.
Because I mean, yesterday we were doing good. Then I had to leave. I had an emergency. So I had to leave.
And I just went nonstop of
and you just worked till like 6.
Yeah.
On it, and we were cranking. So I would take care of other things and videos and billing today, and I got to get out of here again to continue my emergency.
Got the shafts with new bearing on it.
Oh yeah, the axles are back from next door.
Drums are sitting right there.
The drums all nice and resurfaced and pretty and clean. We're moving, man. Things are coming together. All right. Keep digging, sir.
Thank you, sir.